So, what are the red flags that you see in a guy?
Gaya, when he says he's not a feminist. When he says he's not a feminist.
It's been a while since I repeated, but when he only wants to go to fancy places and not have biryani or pani puri, that's a big red flag. I'm all about the food.
Okay. What do you like in a guy?
Maybe understanding or like just listen to what we have to speak. Like just be there. That's it. Enough.
Yeah, he should be able to communicate his feelings. He cannot just ghost me, but if he tells me that I need some time, then I'll give him his time, and also be able to. He should be able to take me to his favorite food spots too.
Yeah. Specifically, he should be able to travel. Like I am a sports person. Like let's go play sports. Very simple things like this. Yeah. And like at the end of the day, come home, like have a very nice meal and like have some chit chat about the day and like end the day. Yeah, that's it.
So, tell me how much is in your bank without telling me how much is in your bank. Maybe you can say you can buy something with that amount.
Okay, maybe I can afford 4 or 5 iPhones.
Like I told you about my ideal day, my last day, I would be able to do all those.
Nice.
And also maybe buy like 2 things from here.
Okay. Per se, tomorrow you have an option to choose arranged marriage or love marriage. What will you choose and why?
See, personally, I would definitely go for a love marriage, but I think family has like so many restrictions and all. So maybe somewhere in the middle ground where like their criteria is also meeting. If I find a guy I definitely love, but I don't mind going for an arranged marriage if like it takes all my criteria where like we can travel, we can eat, and like we can like have fun together. That's the only criteria. Yeah.
I would say love marriage because I think I can ask the guy questions without any filters.
Yeah.
And I think there are a lot of restrictions around arranged marriage and what you can talk to them about or what they'll go and tell their families or about it. I think people would be more open to revealing themselves in a love marriage than like an arranged marriage match.
Okay.
3 to 4 months at least to know the guy.
Okay. So love ka marriage.
That is something that's an ideal. But we don't know that can happen or not. Yeah, that doesn't work out.
One last question for sure. Who cheat more, men or women?
We can't really tell, like judge like that, but from whatever I have seen in my life, there are like circumstances where men cheated more than women, from like whatever like I've seen in my friend circle at least. Yeah.
You said it's a fun interview, but it's not a fun question. I cannot pick one gender.
No problem. But yeah, thank you so much guys, that was fun.